Hello guys, welcome to Ben's Blog. So for today's video we're going to talk about the engine serial number. So you know how to analyze the engine serial number. So this point we're going to talk about the Perkins serial number. So in this side we're going to analyze how to understand this serial number. So in your left side, this is the old serial number, and the right side, which is the present serial number that we're using today. So here we are what we call the RS, which is the engine type or the family code of the engine, and the next 5 digits is what we call the build number, and the U is what we call the country code, and the 6 digits number shown here is what we call the engine serial number, and the letter which you can see here, it is what is what we call the year manufactured. So as you can see here, you can see the kinds of Perkins number where you can find in the left side, right side, or in the top, or in the top view of your engine. For example, this one we have the 13,000s, which is you can see, and it is located to the top view of the engine, so it is where located. So here in the next options we can see the engine type of and the positions. So as you can see here, we have a lot of positions that you can see, and are the examples of our engine type and the positions. So for example, we have the 3.5, 3.152, that is in positions, and we have a lot of options that you can see. Just take a look with this all here. You can see all the positions of this engine. So here is the next one is our year manufacturing code for the Perkins, and here is half the liters, which is including the year. For example, we have the A, which is the code, and the corresponding year is 1974. So if you take a look here, you can identify easily which year manufactured your engine. So meaning to say, for the present, from the last year to the present, you can see exactly which year which is manufactured your engine. So in the next one, I am going to show you which engine that you are manufactured. So for example, which country is manufactured. So it's also have here the liter, and it is corresponding the place. So for example, A is from Argentina and B is from Brazil. So you can see there's a lot of code that you can see which is corresponding to the place where it is manufactured your engine. So for example, we're using here from Yoki, so we can see here which code is from UK. So it is letter U, so meaning to say that is manufactured in UK. So here you can easily identify which country is being manufactured your engine. So that is very good to analyze which code is your engine is. So you can no doubts if you want to buy which place it is manufactured. So in the next one, we're going to talk about the engine family code, or it's type of code, which is you can see here from our engine, which is we have the 1104, which is the series of the engine. So here you can see 1104 series, we have the 1000 series, we have the 1103 range series. So there's a lot of ranges of our engines, depends on the model and depends on the size of our engine. So here you can see all of the series that we have this type of engine. So you can see what engine you are going to buy and what are the kilowatt or the horsepower of this engine you can easily see in here, and you can check in the Google which is corresponding value on that. So this type of engine is, we can see it also here, if it is air-to-air charger cooler or it is compressed air. So charge cooled, direct injections, electronic, feather emissions. There's a lot of type of um, engine type that we can buy, depends on what the usage of your engine. So in the next one, I am also going to show you what are those um, engine which is the large size, which is, you know, we have the B type, inline, and you know, this is the large or the bigger engine. So you can see here we have the ranges from 4006 series, we have here the 15,000 series, we have here the 16,000 series and 4008 range series, and we have a lot. So just check those engine series so you can identify the range and horsepower of your engine. So what type of engine should be you are going to buy if you know those ranges of your engine that you're going to purchase. So here is the key, which is the capacity in liters, air to air, which is half the code on that. So we have the A, which is external circuit, and just read and take a look. Those are the important key that you are going to understand what type of engine that you are going to use. So once again, if you have some questions, just comment down below to our comment sections, which I can answer to you, which is you have any doubt or questions, so I can reply to you there in the questions box. So once again, thank you for watching. Ben's blog is here, so you can comment down what is necessary for you to know, and I'm willing to answer for that. So see you in my next blog.